Very good evening to all of you. I am going to discuss the worksheet. Please pay attention here. Beta, both of you, any single noise, then you're out of the class. Now, last warning, both of you. इसलिए मैंने बोला, समझा ना? हाँ, कुत्ते के जैसा दांत क्या दिखा रहा था? Which of the following is a pure substance? Air is a mixture, brass is an alloy, pure substance will be what? Sodium chloride. No. Who said sodium chloride is a compound? Compound is a.
Are you okay?
Homogeneous mixture has what? Uniform. Which of the following is a metalloid? Germanium. Who all are metalloid? Boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic. Right, beta? Antimony. Which of the following is a noble gas? Hina, Nina, and argon. So, argon. Which method is best suited to separate iron filing and sand? Which is a heterogeneous mixture? Hetero. Hetero. Sand and water. सैंड. अरे मिट्टी को पानी में डालेगा तो मिट्टी और पानी अलग अलग दिखेगा ना. तेरे को पूछा. एयर इज अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर. एयर सिंगल फेज है ना. कंपाउंड एयर इज अ होमोजेनियस. कैन बी सेपरेटेड बाय फिजिकल मीन्स. Has fixed composition by weight.
Yes.
Shows property of element. तो क्या रहेगा बेटा? Has fixed composition by weight. इन Na और Cl का रेशियो फिक्स होता है कि नहीं? Now we have to do assertion reasoning. चलो बेटा. A compound has properties different from its constituent element. True. So A is true. A compound is formed by chemical combination of element in fixed ratio. True. But it doesn't explain. Very good. So both A and R are true, but R does not explain the reason for A.
So can you see anything on that screen?
No.
Then how do you? Because he sees on the laptop.
Okay. Anyways. Mixture do not have a fixed melting point or boiling point. Shh. The component of mixture are present in any proportion. True. Mixtures do not have fixed melting point and boiling point. Bolo beta. False. They have a fixed melting point. A is false, but R is true. Hydrogen is collected over water and not over air. Hydrogen is collected over water. True. Hydrogen is almost insoluble in water. True. Both are true. Clear hai beta? But R does not explain this. R is almost insoluble. Perfectly right.
Almost insoluble मतलब slightly soluble.
Almost insoluble only.
Slightly
Insoluble. पढ़ना वहाँ पे. Insoluble. Hydrogen is used in oxyhydrogen flame. Hydrogen produces very high temperature. Yes. So A is true, R is true, and R is the correct explanation also. Burning of magnesium in oxygen is a combination. Yes. Because you will get only one product. Two or more substances combined to form a single product. True. So both are correct and both explain the reason also. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen at very high temperature. True. 3000 degrees होता था. पता है ना बेटा? To give you nitrogen. Nitrogen is chemically inert under ordinary condition. True. Clear? So A is true, R is also true. And R is the inert under ordinary condition. So it can be a correct explanation for this. क्योंकि ऑर्डिनरी टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्ट नहीं होता था. हाई टेम्परेचर पे रिएक्ट होगा ना बेटा. बट इट इज या Zinc sulfide is formed when zinc react with sulfur. True. Metal reacts with non-metal to form ionic bond. True. But this is not the correct reason, huh, beta? Carbon monoxide is formed when carbon dioxide burns in limited air. True. Array, between limited air, you always get carbon monoxide. Incomplete combustion occurs when oxygen supply is insufficient. Incomplete combustion, true. So both are true and R is the correct explanation also. Which method is मार दूंगा भी ज्यादा Which method is used? तेरे को पूछा क्या? Which method is used to separate two immiscible liquid? Immiscible मतलब दो मिक्स नहीं होता है, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? सेपरेटिंग फनल. ए लिडे यहाँ पे ध्यान दे. Hydrogen is collected by downward displacement of water because it is insoluble in water. When copper oxide react with hydrogen, the substance reduced is copper oxide को hydrogen के साथ react करेंगे तो what you'll get? So the substance reduced. So copper oxide is reduced. Substance reduced पूछा है ना? Hydrogen act as a reducing agent by what is reduce? अभी मैंने ये रिएक्शन किया था कॉपर ऑक्साइड में. देखो हाइड्रोजन ने इसको कॉपर कर दिया, राइट ना बेटा, वाटर. तो what it did बेटा, it removes oxygen from metal oxide, right? तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा बोलो बेटा? It gains oxygen, yes. तो हाइड्रोजन ने गेन किया कि नहीं ऑक्सीजन?
Yes, no.
Which of the following metal react with steam to produce hydrogen? Steam के साथ कौन react होता था? Iron. Iron react with steam. Remember, it react reversibly to give you what? Fe3O4 and hydrogen. This reaction is very, very important for balancing also. Remember, this is known as magnetic oxide of iron. Fe3O4, magnetic oxide of iron. Hydrogen burns in air. पूछा नहीं अपना ओपिनियन, जो पूछा सब ये बोल बेटा. क्या? मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज द बेस. बेस के लिए क्या होता है? रेड लिटमस ब्लू होता है. ठीक है, आ जा.
Bro, he was there before we were there.
तो फिर मिथाइल ऑरेंज वाला रहेगा. मिथाइल ऑरेंज विल बिकम येलो. फिर दूसरा क्या है? फिनोप्थिलीन फ्रॉम कलरलेस टू पिंक होगा. देख. ओके, इनफ. पे अटेंशन यार. The test performed before collecting hydrogen gas is the which test?
Test.
Soft test. Litmus test.
No litmus. Yes, yes.
हाइड्रोजन में लिटमस टेस्ट हम लोग नहीं करेंगे बेटा. इट इज बिफोर कलेक्टिंग हाइड्रोजन गैस. नहीं बेटा, लिटमस टेस्ट नहीं होगा बेटा. फ्लेम टेस्ट हम लोग करेंगे बेटा. पॉप टेस्ट होता नहीं है.
There's a lot of traffic. We're reaching in 10 minutes.
है या बेटा, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम जस्ट रिवाइजिंग, यू जस्ट लिसन बेटा. ओके, which of the following is the product of oxidation of hydrogen? हाइड्रोजन का अगर मैंने ऑक्सीजन ऐड किया तो क्या बनेगा?
नहीं बताता.
Which acid reacts with metal above hydrogen in the reactivity series to give above hydrogen? Karina, which acid will react with the metal
Sir, C.
to give hydrogen? Which will react?
C.
Dilute sulfuric acid. Nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is also oxidizing agent.
लगा भी नहीं
Which type of reaction occur when magnesium burns with oxygen? Tell me what you get. Tell me बेटा क्या मिलेगा बोल बेटा क्या मिलेगा बोल. Which reaction is this? Only one product I am getting. Which reaction is this?
Combination.
Combination. Very good. Okay. The product form when excess of oxygen, so it will be CO2. Excess is CO2. The gas which is reddish brown in color, nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown. Which compound is formed when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen? Nitrogen, whenever it reacts with hydrogen, it gets what? The black colored the black colored oxide of copper oxide.
You cut your hair.
Copper oxide.
Good morning.
Aisha.
Paper.
Myra.
Yes. Go sit where Sanjana is sitting, वरना someone will sit there.
Okay. Please settle down बेटा. हो गया तेरा बेटा? स्टेपलर कर दे. सप्लीमेंट बचा है तो रख दे सर. Okay. Enough. No talking. Rotan egg smell. Rotan egg smell. Very good. आराम से. When quicklime is dissolved in water, quicklime means this. So the reaction is highly exothermic. ठीक है? रख दे इधर. Which of the following birthday आज ना?
So 3 uniform.
Thank you बेटा. चलो आ जाओ. Which of the following acid बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Which of the following has an anhydride of sulfuric acid?
So 3.
First of all, I'll explain what is anhydride means. Anhydride means what? Remove water. No. So first I'll explain this. Beta, I'm removing water. Look, Arya, beta, what I'm going to get? H2 will go, na, beta? From here.
Subtraction.
Anhydra means water. Anhydra means removal of water. So I'm removed water. So if I remove water from sulfuric acid, what I'll get? SO3. Please remember, SO3 is also known as what? Anhydride of sulfuric acid. Have you understood this? Understood or not? Tell me. Clear? Which solvent is used for dissolving sulfur? Carbon dioxide. Name an oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Zinc oxide. No talking. This डोक्यावरच मारणार तुला. ओके ना? एकदा बघ. Colorless.
So look at Shivin. So look at Shivin.
Let it be. Do your work. You are here to look at him or you are here to do this question answer. Why are you continuously looking at him? चलो ए बेटा मार खाएगा कुछ हाथ लगाए तो वहां पे क्यों हाथ लगा रहा है तो बस colorless liquid form when nitrogen this is very important, please pay attention. This is yellow colored liquid which is formed NCl3 nitrogen trichloride. Okay, this is your latest school worksheet I am discussing. समझा ना? Definition, you can define element and compound, right? What are the characteristic of pure substances? What is homogeneous mixture? Give example, you will get this. These are answer. Now, common salt and water. मायरा बेटा क्या करेंगे बोलो? Common salt and water. Evaporation, or what you can do below beta, distillation also you can do for this. Okay. Sand form iron filing. Magnetic separation. Very good. Why want to continue continuously looking at him? Then now you are giving comment also. Then right? Pay attention here. Noble gases are Aradhya, noble gases are chemically less reactive. Noble gases have stable electronic configuration. What you'll have to write, beta? Stable electronic configuration. What is sorry, two properties of metal and two properties. Metals are lustrous. वो आएगा easy है वो. Yeah. Now non-metal beta, non-conductor, non-lustrous, non-sonorous.
Non-metal.
Sublimation. The process in which the solid directly goes into gaseous state is known as sublimation. Give an example. Ammonium chloride, iodine. All these are what beta? Naphthalene. Naphthalene ball camphor हम लोग घर पे यूज करते हैं ना. Naphthalene.
Me and cousin also mixed.
Okay. Give it to me एक मिनट. बेटा तुम लोग दोनों ना पेपर अंदर बैग के अंदर डालो पहले. बहुत मार खाएगा दोनों जन. Enough is enough.
Very good here.
Two equation
Sir.
in which hydrogen act as reducing agent. You can write this. Look, beta, it is removing, na, beta, hydrogen. I can use this equation. Hydrogen is acting as which agent, beta? It is undergoing oxidation. So which agent? Reducing. Clear hai? I can also write this zinc oxide plus hydrogen again. It will give you zinc plus water. So hydrogen is acting as which agent? Reducing. One more word from both of these. Sit properly, pehले. Sit properly. ठीक देगा ना. Yes, I'll get.
It's a nice song.
Place. There is no place on it. Okay. Chalo. Any two precaution. Sorry. Hydrogen not collected by downward because it form explosive mixture with air.
Yes, right, perfectly.
Two precautions taken during entire apparatus should be airtight. No flame should be brought. And lower end of the thistle funnel should be immersed. Lower end of the thistle funnel should be immersed into the acid. What is pop test? What does it contain? Listen carefully. When burning flame is introduced into hydrogen air mixture, it burns with a pop sound. What does it confirm? If pop sound is there, then it is not pure hydrogen. It is हाइड्रोजन है मिक्सचर.
Clear or fake?
Okay, two physical property of
Odorless, colorless, non-poisonous.
odorless, colorless, non-poisonous, lightest gas. Right, beta? Neutral. All these are physical property. Why does a candle burn near mouth of a jar of hydrogen?
But gets because it is combustible but does not support combustion.
Very good.
Smart.
Hydrogen. It is used. Hydrogen. It is used in what, beta? It is used as a reducing agent. It is used in oxyacetylene flame. It is converting oil into ghee. Right? Vanaspati ghee. Very nice.
It is used for converting vegetable oil into
Yeah, very good. How does hydrogen in combined state? In combined state.
Sorry.
1 year. Also, upset.
This is also very
So
important.
can I name the first?
Yeah, first one.
Hydrogen sulfide.
Name. But beta, whenever they say name, you have to write name.
Hydrogen
sulfide.
The next one is carbon dioxide.
Whenever they say name, you have to write name.
Copper oxide. Carbon disulfide.
Carbon disulfide.
So what's the formula of carbon disulfide? The formula?
Black oxide is copper oxide. Cupric oxide or copper oxide. CuO. Acid anhydride of sulfuric, but that we call it as sulfur trioxide.
Sulfur triol. P2. No, sorry. P2.
Compound form and phosphorus pentoxide dissolve in water. Listen, no, beta. Compound we have to. Beta, what is the name of this compound? Phosphoric acid. They have told the compound name.
Phosphoric acid.
Formula.
Chemical.
Chemical name for lime water.
टॉयलेट का पानी
Lime water is beta calcium hydroxide. Lime water milky बनता है, that is the chemical calcium carbonate.
मिल्की वाइट फ्लूइड मैं बायो
बेटा ध्यान दे, तेरे को मार्क्स तो आने ही रहे ना, यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. वहां पे है क्या? वहां पे पढ़ाई हो रही है तेरी? हाँ, lead is burned in oxygen. State your observation, but I'll write reaction in exam. You're not supposed to write the reaction. You get PBO. So now buff yellow residue. Buff yellow residue.
So the next one is reddish brown, I guess.
Buff yellow reddish residue. Nitric oxide react with oxygen. I'll just show you beta first. What happens? You get NO2, but NO2 color is what? Reddish brown. So reddish brown gas. Reddish brown gas. Silver is exposed to, no, wrong. When silver is exposed to air, so listen, when silver, चुपचाप है. हाँ, आंसर आधा बोल. मैं बता रहा था ना, ये ज्यादा शाना मत बन. सिल्वर बेटा अच्छा बेटा, हम लोग चांदी के ऑर्नामेंट्स पहनते तो ब्लैक हो जाते कि नहीं हो? हाँ, तो इट रिएक्ट्स विद सल्फर।
रस्ट
Rust.
हाँ, नहीं तो क्या बोलोगे?
रस्ट तोड़ना हो सकता है रस्ट
सिल्वर इज एक्सपोज टू एयर, तो ब्लैक टार्निश।
ब्लैक टाइम so does tarnish mean rust
नो, रस्ट नहीं,
No, but
रस्ट नहीं बोला, रस्ट ईट्स अप द मेटल, ऐसे या
sir, क्या?
सर आपको पता है
इसको तो पीछे लग अच्छा है
Sir, लोग
हाँ ये देखिए ब्लैक लाइन
देखो, सिर्फ बात नहीं होता है.
ओके,
What is tarnish?
या वो क्लीन हो सकता है। सल्फर रिएक्ट्स विद हाइड्रोजन, रोटन एक्स स्मेल, यस,
कॉटन एक्स में
गैस इज रिलीज्ड। ठीक है, जिंक बर्न्स इन ऑक्सीजन, ये बेटा इट विल गिव यू जिंक ऑक्साइड, तो रेसिड्यू येलो व्हेन
white and cold actually
देखा है. I see that.
mercury
mercury is heated with oxygen. Beta, when you mercury is heated with oxygen, you get mercury oxide and orange red compound, orange red.
we haven't done this ever
Hey, why? Whatever. Hydrogen plus oxygen will give you orange red residue. ठीक है? Orange. Are you getting it?
get it TV that's
Okay. Enough work of it.
She's continuously teasing.
Sir, वो बोल रहे हो.
क्या? She's teasing.
Sir, no.
Okay, enough is enough. Now let us start. Hey, sit properly first. You are a crack, I know. Everybody do something. Okay, write a balanced chemical equation for the following with oxygen and with water separately. So potassium will react with oxygen to give you what? Potassium oxide. Yes, beta.
Sodium oxide, magnesium.
Yeah, एक minute बेटा, tell. Paper I discussed. You are not attended online. हाँ तो I after the class we will wait. हाँ बेटा, I'll do it for you. चलो. 2. Clear? Any difficulty clear? Okay. Hey, potassium when it will react with water, what you will get?
Naturally then.
KOH and hydrogen. Are you getting it? 2, 2, 2. Sodium beta when it reacts with again Na2 sodium oxide, and same reaction here also. Wherever there is a K, you will just write Na. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Then magnesium. Yeah. Yes. Magnesium plus oxygen gives you MgO. I have explained also. You are not paying attention. You are busy. At that time, you should have asked me the doubt. Magnesium plus water. It will give you magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen. When I was explaining, then what were you doing? Hatching eggs or what? What were you doing? Hatching eggs? Aluminium.
Arey, be quiet.
Whatever.
Lock in, guys.
What?
तू तेरा काम करना ये, तेरे को तू ये पढ़ने आया कि कोई बात करने आया यहाँ पे? Aluminium beta, it will react with what beta? Steam, not water, steam, and it will give you what? Al2O3 plus hydrogen. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Now we need to balance this. So here I'll put 3, here I'll put 2, and here I'll put 3. Okay. Zinc plus oxygen, beta, we did zinc oxide. Right? Same with water also. Same steam wala reaction. You'll get what? Plus hydrogen. It is already balanced. Clear?
Yes.
Then iron 2 and iron 3. Okay? Fe2 and Fe3. Fe plus oxygen. If Fe2 they have told you get what? FeO only. Right? Yeah, that I'll teach you. No, beta, they have given iron. They have purposely told you iron 2. Iron 3 when we'll take balance. If I take, then you get Fe2. This is rust. Okay. Now when you make it react with water, water में बेटा we have done iron 3 का reaction क्या बनता था याद आ रहा है ना? You'd have to take steam. The reaction was reversible and you used to get Fe3O4. Remember magnetic oxide of iron and hydrogen. Clear? Okay, right? Now look, this apparatus, same question I've asked in exam also, right? Identify the apparatus. Apparatus का नाम क्या है? Separating funnel. Okay, what is your A? अच्छा A.
That's air. That's air. No,
Apparatus A. Okay, this is apparatus separating funnel. What is B? Oil. C is water. Give two example which can be separated by using this apparatus. So what will write example?
Oil.
Oil plus water, kerosene and water. Are you getting it?
He's one.
Beta, look beta, if they have not shown any other, this thing, fractionating column, so you'll just write the process as what beta? Distillation. Distillation. Okay? State the type of mixture which is separated by using the setup shown in the adjacent diagram. तो यहाँ पे ये दोनों लिक्विड क्या होना चाहिए? मिक्सिबल होना चाहिए.
Alcohol and water.
Give an example of the mixture. So what I can do, beta?
Alcohol and water.
Alcohol plus water.
That's it.
Alcohol in water, whatever you want to do. Okay?
So Shiven is saying alcohol.
This is new. No wire to be connected.
Can I ask a question? So can I ask a question related to that?
Yeah, later on. I will do that. ऐसा नहीं होगा, हाथ से नहीं होगा. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
How does he know where he's marking it?
So correct that.
How does it perfectly?
Now, beta, we are going to do this one, beta. Now, देखो बेटा यहाँ पर अपना क्या है बोलो? Okay. Now, distinguish between homogeneous and heterogeneous. So, homogeneous means beta uniform.
Sir.
बस अपना काम कर.
Sir,
Okay. Homogeneous is what? Uniform phase. This will be what? वहाँ पे देख बात.
now they can't even see. Then how is he doing?
Heterogeneous will be what? Non-uniform. Then compound
Still it's so
and
big.
mixtures.
It's so tiny.
We can distinguish between compounds and mixture. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Fixed proportion, not in fixed proportion. Combination means two or more reactant will give you one product. Decomposition means one reactant will give you multiple product. Exothermic in which the heat is released. Endothermic in which the heat is what? Absorbed. Clear? Okay. Now I'm going to go for your one paper. Look at this was your paper of 2024. Okay. Quickly, the combination reaction occurs
Sir,
involve combination of
in the
elements, all of them. Silver gets tarnished. Look it आया कि नहीं?
tarnish.
It combines with what? अभी बताया था मैंने. बताओ आंसर आएगा क्या होगा बताओ. Yes. नहीं. Sulfur. I used to get what? Silver sulfide. So what is the answer? Color.
So they both are sleeping.
Color of lead oxide is which one बेटा? अभी बताया था. Yellow. Yellow. Red नहीं. Buff yellow या yellow? Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Lime water पूछा. B. Calcium hydroxide. Precipitation reaction involve formation of what? Insoluble. Example of basic is metal. Metal is which one beta? MgOH. Metal MO. When coal is heated in absence of air. ये नहीं है बेटा. Oxides of non-metal are
known as
non-metal are acidic. Which of the following is used? नहीं है. देखा तुम्हारा है ना ये पुराने सिलेबस में उन्होंने कार्बन की रखा था. पता नहीं है.
अरे उनके लिए कैसे है
हाँ.
ये
So the following is
कर रही है
not a property of hydrogen. It is always gray color. Mixture of dash hydrogen is helium. बोल दूंगा ना बेटा. मैंने देखा तो क्या था. मैं भी ना रिकॉर्डिंग निकाल के बुला हुआ डायरेक्ट लोग बता पता क्या रहेगा. अबे इसको और हाथ लगाए ना तो समझ जाना.
टचिंग बिजनेस
रिकॉर्डिंग निकाला ना.
हाथ में वो ज्यादा टच कर रहा है टच ही करेंगे
Nalu beta this I had also given sulfur dioxide is which one beta?
Sir,
Acidic. Metal oxide as basic.
aluminium is.
चनानी अलीम प्रकार amphoteric. ठीक है?
Sir,
Hydrogen plus chlorine gives you this. Hydrogen plus sulfur will give you H2S. Shut your mouth and get attention. Little on. Make the reaction in which acid and base.
Neutralization.
Neutralization. Very good.
Smart. No.
Substance which gives up the reaction without taking part. ये वाला नहीं है बेटा. ये पहला वाला ये वाला नहीं है. फिर हाँ वो नहीं है लेकिन. Product obtained in the first step of first one is combination. Second one is what beta? Displacement. This is what beta? Decomposition. Here beta what is this one is what beta? Double decomposition not taken so it will be precipitation. मैंने ये बता यहाँ क्या था कि ये ना यहाँ पे डबल लेके ऑप्शन देना चाहिए था ना हम लोग. गलत है बेटा. ये वाला क्या है? और केमिकल ऑक्सीजन में कार्बन है यार क्या चीज है. कार्बन प्लस ऑक्सीजन नाइट्रोजन ऑक्सीजन बेटा.
अमोनिया
3000 degree get nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. Sodium plus oxygen you get sodium oxide.
if I joke she doesn't want to because something I'm coming to bar. Oh, seriously? Actually, that's the point you're telling.
Just go for one.
Okay. Carbon monoxide is produced by incomplete combustion of fuel. True it is. कंप्लीट कंबशन होता है तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नहीं है बेटा। हाँ ठीक है, ये बेटा ये भी नहीं है बेटा, फिर अब ये भी नहीं है, वो है ना। नाइट्रिक एसिड इज यूज्ड इन प्रिपरेशन हाइड्रोजन फॉर डाइल्यूट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। हाँ
ये है ना सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन और इनसैचुरेटेड
वाटर का है, वाटर का है,
वाटर
ना है वाटर नहीं है,
कुछ नहीं है कुछ नहीं
now we have to balance this. So 2 I'll put here and 2 I'll say balance. Combustion में बेटा here I'll put 2 and here I'll put 2 balance. Here what I have to do, I have to put here only 2 here. That's it. Balance.
हाँ चल जाते हैं।
चलो how will you sodium chloride from sodium,
ठीक है अगर तूने आज समझ
sodium plus chlorine gives you sodium chloride. Potassium hydroxide from potassium, so what you have to do, you have to put potassium in water. You get what? Potassium hydroxide and hydrogen. How is balancing right? Here beta. Calcium oxide from calcium carbonate. Heat it.
नहीं
Calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Silver nitrate is kept it up because
So it is coming back.
by absorption of light.
So Rushan said you're evaporating.
Photonic decomposition. Okay. Then hydrogen is currently not used in airship because it is highly explosive. ये नहीं है. Granulated zinc is preferred. It has a purity which has a catalyzing effect.
ज्यादा एक्टिंग मत कर दे रही हूँ।
Sir, the class is over.
Almost बेटा. चलो ये बात yeah beta, I think yeah we'll finish this thing off beta, फटाफट हो जाएगा. We have done electrolysis by passing electric current and by sunlight. This is not there. अच्छा, oxidation is removal of hydrogen and reduction is addition of hydrogen. Exothermic heat is released, heat is absorbed. Product form when mercury react with beta, you get mercuric oxide. You have to write the name, lead oxide with chloride, HCl. So you get lead chloride. You have to write the name, beta. Nitric oxide combines with oxygen. Nitric oxide plus oxygen, you get nitrogen dioxide. देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे सब बेटा, ठीक है ना? तुम लोग क्या?
Oh, this is the touch screen one.
Yeah.
Hey, you also have. But
Okay.
you don't have yoga.
An example of an amphoteric oxide is which one, beta? Lead oxide. React only with steam. Who reacts only with iron? This is not there. This is not there. Drying agent.
By the-
Drying agent used in. Yes, we have done many times. So I'm not.
Zinc granules.
What are redox reaction? Reaction in which
Reduction and oxidation both occurs.
neutral oxide, which is
Ammonia.
okay. Beta, with this we'll end today's class. Chalo then, bye bye everybody.